Hey all, let's start how to install Python in macOS using Homebrew. I am Rishikesh Dakhore. I am assuming you already have Homebrew in your macOS. If not, you can watch this 3.5 minute video of mine. You can just click here. This entire PDF you will get in the description section, and also I will attach the link of this video in my description. Deploying Python 3 is very easy. On your Mac keyboard, just press Command space. Spotlight search will open. Type terminal, enter. You will see new terminal here, and just check your brew version. I just installed brew, so it's 6.03, which is latest. And after that you can have different Python version in brew using brew search Python star, enter. You will see all the Python versions which is available in brew, but I will go with the latest one. You can just copy brew install command or type it directly in your terminal. Brew install Python, press enter. Brew will start downloading Python and installing in your Mac OS. It will take some time. It will ask you about permission. Type Y and it will start all the downloading of all the packages which require for Python. Brew installed Python successfully. You can verify execution path using which Python 3. If still it shows user bin Python, terminal is showing you the system Python. For this you just need to use one trick. Just close this browser once again and go to command space, terminal, open it again and check again. You will see opt Homebrew bin Python 3. You are successfully able to install Python. If you want to map Python alias, if you don't want to use Python 3 or just want to use Python, then go to your Finder and check the hidden files. You will see a .z profile. Click here. You will see Homebrew shell here. After that just type alias python equal to python 3, and after that you are able to use Python instead of Python 3 in your terminal. I just want to use Python 3 for now, so I will not use this trick. You can put everything here and just save it and .z profile. Okay, if you stop the video right here, you will going to hit a massive brick wall. If you are trying to follow an old coding tutorial from the years or two ago, the very first thing they will tell you to do is open your terminal and type pip install followed by library name. But if you try that right now on the modern Mac setup, you are going to get this giant scary red error. External managed environment. Don't panic. Your installation isn't broken. This is actually safeguard feature in the new Mac. Think of it as a way Brew uses Python behind the scene to keep your system running smoothly. If you install random tools globally, it's like dumping different ingredients into the shared family soup pot. Eventually you are going to ruin the flavor for everyone. To prevent that, Python now forces you to cook in your own separate bowl. Think of this way, Homebrew uses Python behind the scene to keep your system running smoothly. If you install random tools globally, it's like dumping different ingredients into a shared family soup pot. Eventually you are going to run the flavor for everyone. To prevent this, Python now forces you to cook your own separate bowl. Whenever you start a new coding project, you just need to run two quick commands to build your own private sandbox. Create a sandbox environment by typing enter. Activate this environment. Type enter. Now you will see this .venv. So it's your own environment package. Now you can just type pip install anything like pandas. Enter. So it will start installing pandas in your specific environment, in your specific folder. Pandas is installed. You can just check if Python is working using print hello Rishi. Enter. 3 plus 5. Enter. Now Python is installed successfully. Thank you. For more videos regarding data domain and AI stuff. Thank you.